Hello everybody. How una dey, my amazing people? How una dey? The birthday girl is here. Oh, don't miss me. Make I quick share this video. Make I quick share. How una dey, my amazing people? Please join, share and invite others, okay? May you quick share and they come. Una be one choke me with love yesterday. I was like, what's going on? Yeah, baby, wow. Yeah, see love where it choke. See love. Who dey zuzu? Who dey zuzu? My amazing people. How una dey? TikTok. Please power tap. Tina power tap una dey talking for this side. Please power tap and share. Facebook, me also help me share. I'm live streaming this video from, I think 3 for Facebook, 1 for TikTok. So 4 of my platform. It remains small. Once I don't get lappy, we can add red app joiner. Go they play, go they show. So my amazing people, wanna help me they thumbs up this video, okay guys? Thumbs up for Facebook. Wanna help me thumbs up and share. Invite others. More I can't hear story like this birthday show. Since when I say they do birthday, when I say they do my birthday, this particular birthday is shock. It's shock. Like the love where that is the love it come to the massive. So even me myself, I still they imagine say, I don't understand. Na birthday I be they do. Na birthday I be they do. The love was so massive. Like the love choke. Now they get me. The love choke. So please, as you are joining, invite others. Okay? Invite others, love and like, and also do me a favor by sharing this video. If you're on TikTok, please power tap, okay? If you are seeing us for the first time, this is your one and only, the VIP queen, the one and only, the Queen's Talk Show. Now maybe that. Thank you, my lady, Mama Jai. Thank you, my beautiful mommy, yo. So Mona, help me share. Mona, share this video. I know to waste on our time. Okay, thanks for joining, Mama Chelsea. Thanks for joining, mommy, yo. Thanks for joining. I said this birthday show. In short, it be like say I push it. It be like say I push it. I dey confess me. I see whether I charge this speaker. Thank you, Mama Jai. Thank you so much, my lady. Ma see whether we'll play 1 or 2 songs. Ma just say 1 so that before others go come. More let me share this video. May everybody come collect their birthday cake. More I come collect birthday cake. Oh, who should they connect? Okay, and this one be you, guys. Before I pull music, I don't dare this space. I don't dare do cyber space for like how many years? For like, let me say 3 years. But you see the birthday when I do so, God. He choke. The love, I was like, where is this love coming from? Who be all these people who won't choke me with love? Yeah, you love it, baby. I don't understand. You guys want to slay me? See love. As they same money. Now some people they post. Now go this yesterday night. You send the whole. No, the love it too much. It's too much. I know say normally. No as they go. If people say do me good like this, if I can't talk or if I talk enemy go come surplus, but we don't pass that stage. Yes, we don't pass that stage. Okay? I don't feel because of that one. Say because of say enemy go come many or people go come the verse. You understand? I want to tell this person I may reduce this music. Guys, I'm coming. Okay. I say don't lock it up. So I don't feel because of say anybody go verse. You understand? Make I not talk. This may enjoy. There is this my celebrity birthday when I do so. So please guys, mona me thumbs up, love and like and share. Okay? Thumbs up.
di sconto su marchi e prodotti selezionati.
TikTok, mona pa WhatsApp, ok?
3% di sconto nell'app Notino.
A me con I cambi valuta non mi dovete.
Might just play one music.
Semplice.
May we start. Where I write those names, put on. Saloba yewe go keke. Oh yewe o. Okay. Please share the video for me, okay, my amazing people. TikTok, mona power attack, okay? Okay, so the names.
Papa, who has a little on a very man, what the miracle working God.
Yes, so
you want hallelujah, baby, so when all the family hallelujah, the Papa, when you the doctor.
not so.
And then you know, so Papa, when you get over there, you get my
Thank you, Bright. Thank you.
We can never believe in your dream.
Yeah, we like this. Dollar Wahala, thanks for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Yeah.
The enemy never believed.
Yeah.
Baba was
Thank you, my lady, Mama Jai. Thank you, thank you. Looking good, ma. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Baba who has a victim, if women man, you have to look back there, and you said they have no
Share the video, okay, guys? TikTok, share the video, Facebook, share the video, okay? Share, invite others. When I share, what is it? I'm live streaming from 3 of my platforms. They come make I go check my big one. People feel they comment there. Now I don't know. I go check my big platform. People feel they comment there. I don't go see them. Make I use another for my big platform. Yeah. I don't see him now. Bye bye, Power tap on TikTok, okay? So, my amazing people, in case you don't know, this is your one and only. Thanks for joining, Pretty Stella. I cite you. Thanks for joining on TikTok. I cite you. For those of you that don't know, this is the one and only September birthday girl. All throughout all this September, I occupy everywhere. Okay? So my amazing people, as you all know, yesterday was my birthday. And like, words are not enough for me to say thank you to you guys. The one I take carry this my birthday. If for me, I was like, I bet they do not be married, Joe. Don't be, I know they do better. Don't take my back by you. Why use love finish me like that? I was like, guys, people really turn up for this my birthday. I've been doing birthday since I did Facebook, but this
3,
this
9,
I
3,
for the come
5, 1, 0.
Make I offer before you go display person phone number. Go display person phone number. Guys, I'm coming, okay? Make I quick talk to this person. I did online, no. I did online. Wait, this one, let me hear what Jare. So, my amazing people, please, as you are joining, thumbs up, love and like and share the video. So, guys, as I was saying, you all know that yesterday was my birthday and the birthday was so massive. Thanks for joining, love of money. Thank you for joining. So, and the love people showed me really shown that have been doing a great job on Edo cyberspace. Not only on Edo cyberspace, outside social media. Yeah, because the love was so massive. Everybody, like, I was like, hey, you understand? I was like, thanks for joining, my lady, Mama Angela, I cite you. You get me? I was like, where is this love coming from? You get, so you guys turn up, you guys show me love, you guys surprised me, you guys like, so without wasting much of your time, okay? I want to say from the bottom of my heart, sincerely, I want to say thank you to you all that celebrated my birthday genuinely yesterday. Okay, a lot of people. Okay, for those of una way I don't see, I never come across your page or your profile. Thank you, King Fancy. For those of una way I never feel come across una platform. I know say not be all platform. Thank you for the gift. God bless una my people for TikTok. So una know say not be all platform. I go feel rich. Now if see Facebook no fit show me all of the one day. But don't worry, the more I dey see una, the more I go appreciate una. Okay, una really try for me yesterday. Una really make my day wonderful. Una really make my day amazing. Like, una shock me in short. You understand? So the first person I want to start with is my mommy Yoyo, my godmom on social media, which is Dr. Rita Ayemiomo TV. All of una know say I know they use a matter play. A lot of people be like, hey, Queen, they go, you they support this one. So they don't even go report me to my family some time ago. Say me they support Queen Rita, or say Queen Rita they fight bad fight for social media. Say me they support her. But I make my family understand, say, you look at this old media, now they fight, refight. All of us they fight because me, I know they support bad thing. You understand? I know they support bad thing. I always stand for the truth and they help. Because I know if you do saga finish at the end, I'll come they sleep, they dream a bad dream. I don't get that kind wish mind. I don't get that kind strong mind. Now they get me. So when they report me, I let my family understand. Say the person where they tell now so say they fight bad fight. Now she even they fight the good fight. The rest people na yawa. Not be even just all like that. I let them know, say this particular person where they tell you, say, I do this one. Na yawa fight, now they fight for the media space. So you understand. So even my family know say Queen Rita Mata self, I know they use and play. And for this my birthday, it showed to me say she herself, she know they use me play. You understand? It showed to me say she know they use me play also. Una know say I still tell una say I needed a laptop to upgrade my live streaming. You see now as I do video now they use how many phones? You understand? But if to say I get laptop when I they use, I get laptop, I get HP when I they, but it no strong reach. You understand? It no strong reach when where I need. Guys, also the noise where the background no they disturb. So it no strong reach if I they use and do video. You understand? The webcam, the battery. So that is why I can't request for a new laptop from my fans worldwide, lovers, anybody where you know say you don't already like me, you like what I do, you want to support my growth on social media, you want to support my platform. So I can't say I need support in getting a new laptop. And I can't still mention say the laptop when I need now Apple laptop. So but I can't see reason on the other hand say I not today good in Apple. Their product are not today good in even the iPhone, whatever na problem to operate them. So I can't decide to go for normal HP, but the strong one, okay, the one way is strong for this one. So guys, do you know that since the day when I bring out that post, a lot of people have been donating to my account, a lot of people. So starting from Queen Rita, she supported that movement with 300,000 naira. Now they gave me, she supported that movement with 300,000 naira. No be choice. Money one not work for, money one no expect. She gave me 300K solid one. This will not be the one where be safe they put before you wake up, it don't disappear or now might disappear. 300K, which I really appreciate so much, and I want Mona help me pray for her. I want Mona help me thank her. I want anywhere when I see her, even if say because of me, what to say, if she want buy something, give her small price. If you get shop and you come see and say now she can buy something, the price is here. You understand? The love Mona still they show me. Mona see expand down, may reach all of us, and not be only Queen Rita donate for me. Our fans also donated for me. People like Mama Okiro Edos. Okay, una know say Mama Okiro Edos right from time. She know they use me play for this media. She know they that is the way she take me. Mama Okiro Edos, Mama Chelsea, Mohammed, and who again? The menu, the menu. I don't fit call all of them name. Mama Rita, the best analyzer, a lot of them, they did there. They are Ritotarians, and they know they use me play with anybody for this media. Even though fight today. Now all of us, they throw the carrot together. So I want to appreciate Queen Rita and her fans. Now God will bless all of them. I really appreciate. Who give me 1 naira, who give me 2 naira, who never even still give me, he never late. Okay, the donation is still going on because it never complete. Now no say na laptop. You understand? It never complete. If you still complete, even if you not complete, not gonna go pay all the money. But I just want to raise anything when I go feel raise. I go add my own personal, take complete, and then I'll go and get a new laptop. I go still show now. I go see the live stream. It go upgrade and it go the switch now. Not be this one. Be say if I want to play video, I go they show now like this. No, I go when they use laptop. They put video, 2 video go they play so that I go take pepper all those people where they say they're not going to do good thing for this media. So moving on, I also have okay, my fair go for people who celebrate me. Okay, we have a Noge is priceless, which una know as investor. A Noge, my personal person, my paddy, my person. You understand? So yesterday he celebrated my birthday, my brother, my friend. Now God will bless you. Okay, I really appreciate it. As he post me yesterday, I said, so when the man has checked TikTok, he said, don't forget my birthday. Okay, no problem. I get you for mine. You trust me now. So thank you so much, my personal. God will bless you. And we have another person there, Papa Queen. I know as I say Papa Queen, una don't already know person when I did talk to, which is Paibizugbe. So yesterday, Paibizugbe also celebrated me. Thanks for joining, my lady, Mama Osatun. Thanks for joining. God bless you. So Paibizugbe also celebrated me yesterday. So Epa Ere Queen, and God will bless you. I really appreciate. So moving on, Lady Precious Meg. Lady Precious Meg, I can't go her page. When me can't go her page, I can't go look where she, after she celebrated me. So they shared the video to, the picture to me for WhatsApp. As I click, I go into her page. My mind go tell me, say, now your page you do. I said, no, now Lady Precious Meg page I be click on. Not knowing she put me for a DP. Guys, I'm coming. Not knowing that she put me for a DP. So the thing got they confused. I was like, no, my page I be enter yours now. But why they Lady Precious? Now Lady Precious Meg page I now enter. How come I they see myself? You understand? So before I confidently detect, she put me for a DP. So my Lady Precious Meg, God will bless you. God will bless you. You are 1 in a million. You are the best. You are the best. You are the best. I really appreciate your effort, your support towards me during my birthday period. Thank you so much. God bless you. Then we have another person. Okay, Mama Okiro Edos, which I have said before. Mama Okiro Edos, God will bless you, Mommy Yo, for always supporting me. As stars way dey my page. Now so it be. Now so it be. As stars way dey my page. Every time she come across my platform, she always give me star. Mona me dey pray for her. God will bless her. Mama Gloria. A lot of them are there, which I will come to them. And I will see come back to them. Then Sarah T Boss. Una know say our Sarah, oh soldier never goes. Now no be oh soldier never goes. So yesterday, Sarah T Boss celebrated me. Thanks for joining, John. Thank you for the birthday, which I really appreciate you. So guys, Sarah T Boss, she also celebrated me yesterday, and it was so marvelous. I was so happy because hardly before you see Sarah dey close to person. If Sarah no like you, no go near you. If you like, they tie anything for leg. Face cap you. If Sarah no like you, no like you. She know they pretend they do friendship, or she know they pretend they near person. So yesterday I was so surprised. I was so surprised she celebrated me. So my sister Sarah, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and God go bless you. So moving on, we have Lady Shine Francis. Okay, Yellow no mo say worldwide. Una know Shine Francis now. She also celebrates me. You know, I was so happy because her type, her personality, actress, you know, all those things, big man wife. Oh, call they come from Germany. Let me see if I can take this call. I'm coming, guys. Hello? I'm busy. Coming for live video, they told me. Wait till they worry on this one. You want me to put your number out there? With my wife. So, my amazing people. So, guys, as I was saying, Lady Shine Francis also celebrated me. So, may God bless her for us. Thanks for joining, Mama Mary Omoregbe. Thank you so much. Also, she's a Ritotarian, and she also celebrated me. They show me love. And God will bless you, Mommy Yo. So, as I was saying, Lady Shine Francis, Osaloba bless you. Okay, Osaloba bless you. Thank you so much. I appreciate your effort, your support. Thank you, and God bless you. So, moving on, we have our lady, Jennifer Collins. Okay, Jennifer Collins is one of the Edo live video people that I respect so much. I like woman where they get a stand, where we say, if she stand, say she stand here, now there she go stand. Nothing fi move her. So I like her. I like her personality. I like people like that. So thank you so much, my lady Jennifer Collins, for also celebrating me. Now God go bless you. I really appreciate. Thank you. Now, moving on, Mama Vera Benjamin. Now, no investor blogger. Na his sister, na his blogger. Mama Vera Benjamin. Nobody will not know her for this Facebook. If you want to see, say they won't flog Monica cry, you go to Mama Vera Benjamin. Now she they do those work, those job of bringing past videos. Okay, so my lady Mama Vera Benjamin, I go bless you for celebrating me. I really appreciate it. Okay. Wesi Kakabosalobo, bless you. Thank you so much. So moving on, our sister Asa Bubu, according to as Atiti they call her, Asa Bubu, my people, Asa Boro also celebrated us yesterday. Okay, Asa Boro also celebrated us yesterday, and it was so wonderful. I was so happy, like a lot of people turned up for me. Like I was like, this one not be me when they say they like I don't get it. Why are people showing me love? Like they say that they verse on me, you know, but yesterday make me to understand that nobody even know, nobody get my time and nobody's angry with me. Everybody loves me, okay, because majority win the vote. People will celebrate me yesterday, many pass. People will not celebrate. People will not celebrate. Let me say 3 people. Yes, 3 people now not celebrate me yesterday. And wish me self I not they celebrate them before. Me and them not they play. So I don't expect say me they celebrate me. So those who celebrate me, now God will bless you, okay? On our own time, I not go still forget, I not go miss on. I will still celebrate on our back. Asa Borona, God will bless you, okay? Then let's go to Osas Monday, okay? Osas Monday is one of us, my people. Is a fan, is a supporter, is a close friend, you know. Osas have been a strong pillar to this platform, okay, my amazing people. He has been a strong pillar to this platform called Reconcile, even though they saga me, even though they saga person, you understand. Hey, no, they do saga, you not to just look, go just they look, you understand. They put his support, love and like, they share the video. So also he celebrated my birthday, okay, guys. So no, see, I be pray for Osas Mod is a fan of us, is a fan, is a supporter, is one of us also. So Mona me they pray for her. Then we have our lady Sida on top. Okay, Mama Sida on top also celebrated me yesterday. Not be smarting. I said this birthday, says what I said they do birthday. I never do this birthday. He sweet me and they say they sweet me, they go. And I thought what they went for from now to the end of this month, because I know just when I not see the way they do baby gettings, and they glow, they do. I don't need anything where go call they where I will call they think. I don't want to think. Really, why I go enjoy here? May it just be like this in Jesus' name. So our lady Mama Sida on top also, she's a retotainer. She celebrated me. Iye no gifts. How about bless you? Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always coming up for me. They always turn up anytime I say need none. They always turn up. They don't say I not be quick fans. I want be quick fans. They always turn up. So tell people no even can not be my fans and who not be my fans again. Now God will bless all of you. Now you guys are the best. Then we have Becky Love. Okay, Becky Love also celebrated me yesterday. Okay, Becky Love celebrated me. So Becky, my darling, thank you so much for remembering my birthday. Thank you for not forgetting my birthday. I really appreciate. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. Thank you, I really appreciate. Then one of my lady, Bridget Seki, also celebrated me yesterday. Bridget Seki also celebrated me, and she's a fan. Before me drop post, she don't read there, she don't comment, she dey share, she, you know, she's always active 24/7. So my lady, I dey see your work, and God go bless you. Then investor sister Omo PTV, they call her, me they call her Mama Omo PTV. Okay, her platform is Omo PTV. You can still go and check her out. She not only celebrates me, she wire me 100. Oh, sorry. She wire me something yesterday. Okay, she wire me something yesterday. She have been supporting my platform. Okay, she have been supporting my platform. She like what I do. She know they do saga. She not need waiting anything where they hot. You understand? She just tell me, say, Queen, for your birthday, take 3 months. You understand? And I thought say she support me. I not say, oh, they give me money. Say, no. But for my birthday, she really tried. I was even surprised. Thanks for joining, Mama Queen. Thanks for joining. Osato Lovett. Thanks for joining. I said to you, Wesley. You understand? So she also supported me yesterday, and God go bless her. So all of una way celebrate me yesterday. Make I settle down and look. I don't want to miss any name. I know. Thank you, my Percy Ojo. I don't want to miss any. The musician will sing for me yesterday. Ernest, now God will bless you. I don't know you from Adam. And yesterday I still can't get to know you after you send me that my birthday song where you do for me. And God will bless you. At least since I did on Edo Cyberspace, that was the first time a musician is actually using my name to wish me happy birthday. So my God will bless you, and I really appreciate that music. My God will bless you. Thank you so much, my person. So I think let me see. Okay, I don't go through this list. Okay, so every other person where you celebrate me, maybe I never see your platform. Dollar wahala, God will still bless you. You celebrated me as yesterday, and you still comment here just now. Now God will bless you. Thanks for joining Aduba. So God will bless you, Dollar wahala, for also celebrating my birthday with me. So everybody will celebrate my birthday, both the fake account, the real account, the presenters, now God will bless all of you. Now you guys are 1 in a million. The truth is, I know they too sabi celebrate birthdays. Yes, I know too sabi celebrate birthday. Normally, I know say some people, if their birthday they come like this, they would like do cake. They go, you know, some go do photo shoots. Some go, thank you for TikTok. TikTok people, thank you. Okay, let me take this call. Hello? Hello? Hello, I know they hear you. I did live video. Okay. So, guys, as I was saying, I know they too sabi do birthday. I know too sabi celebrate birthday. Now, only when I did Nigeria at that time, we are the same. Really? Hey, yeah, my lady Jo Kunrobo. Hey, yeah, happy birthday to you too, my darling. I know they too sabi celebrate birthday. Now people go come, because when I did Nigeria that time, my friends, they always plan all these surprise party for me, you know. I'll just dress, they'll say, we'll go chop for this one, we'll go match, we'll go. If we young go, they say, hey, happy birthday, you understand? So I know really too, they sabi, you know, to organize birthday. I can't do ketchup, I be waiting, they do all those small this, you know, I know too sabi, even photo shoot, all over, even picture where they take, I know be all those picture type, if not una for see for display picture for una this year. But I really be one do I really be one post picture. I really be one do photo shoot just for you guys. And not be for me, man. All those things make boko man. I not be, you know, they flink me. Thank you, Osas, thank you. You know they flink me to do, you understand? You know they flink me, but I can't say because of una, I must do one. Guess what happen? Now, I know say this month of August, shops they go for holiday. Make I hide this thing. Because of this year, TikTok. I know they do there, they say registration. Thank you, my lady Amadinosa. Thanks for joining on TikTok. So, Mona me power tap for that side, okay, guys? Una they get me so. Then, I know to, you know, I can't be your source, okay, because of una, at least this year, man, still do photos. If not close full house. Even like this, I can go to where they do 10 euro. You know, cost. So, okay, maybe they snap me one picture. Let me come and post. But they go ferry last month, yeah, because we don't get September already. They go ferry. You know, go see where shop close. You know, go see where buy anything. All store close. I don't know. That is why sometimes I would be like, my birthday, they always they celebrate for. Like after the May Day, or the May Day is first. But after that first, say maybe I want to go out with my friends. I want to go enjoy. But yesterday, I cook for my people for around here. That is why yesterday, I not to even just do online to come they see everything where they go on. Because I cook, I can't share rice, share soup. I cook soup. Not be small. If I see celebrant yesterday, that's why they sweat. But I just want to do one because why I do one like that, and this is my first time of doing my birthday this way. This is my first time when it be say I really say okay, make I just do this birthday like as it tastes sweet me. Thank you, Aduba. You understand? So I can't cook, I share, I do things, share, drink, everything, everywhere so bubble. You understand? So that was for that. For the photo shoot, I'm not confident do one. Based on shop lock, you know, I know if you call the hurry, they do something up and down, anyone when I see, make I manage most store now, they go holiday. So as they come, so they will come go market now. Come go buy new things. Me, I not go buy what they select remain. So that was why I not really do that one. So me can not verse in case if I say, oh, I not give on a new picture this year. I not post a new picture, but any idea be, me will see. I will try work on that aspect. So I feel they follow up when it comes to all those photo shoots. Okay. So for those of you who celebrate me, now God will bless all of you. I really appreciate you guys are the best. And I will continue to appreciate you. Not be late today. If it be said the way I tell the talk now, I never eat. Once I don't see eat moyos now or anything, I will see do video again. So I will continue to appreciate you now. Okay? Then for those of you who donate money for me, una be first class. You know, say that they see flight like this, that they see business class, and that they see people where they go Nigeria for visits. You understand? So for those of you who support my growth, you guys are the best. I will still do another separate video for you. And the donation, my people, it never ends. Okay, if you don't see end, I will still let you know. So okay, you don't end. You know, it's all about my birthday. Okay, and I talk say I need gift from Una. Yes, I'm waiting. I need now laptop. I know say okay, if Una give me the money, I go shop and no. The reason why I bring out Naira account is because me, I can collect money. I can collect Naira and turn it to Euro. Yes, if I need that today, exactly that money gonna put there. Now go collect because of how I take it. Not everybody get how I take it. So I get person and to just call my pa forward all that money. I not go give. I not say I want to do exchange with her. No, he go they use her on my behalf. Then he go give me the Euro way day. So she not go commute. As soon as they give me now, so he go give me back. You understand? So I have access to all those things. That is why I bring up my Naira account, because some people still tell me, say, if I come from Africa, bring a no, can't reach, no. On my case, not be like that. So, thanks for joining, Jude Favor. Thanks for joining. So, for those of you now where donate money for me to take buy laptop, and God will bless you now. Terry, thanks for joining. Sarah Peter, thanks for joining, my person. I see you all. Please, TikTok, Mona Power Tap. So, those of you now who support my laptop, and God will bless you now. You guys really showed me, say, una not they use me play. Now really show me, say, una love me. Now really show me, say, yes, I get place for una heart, because it's not easy. Because and this period, now say people that they donate for other people, you understand, but una see excuse una own time, still support me, still donate for me. And God will bless you. And the donation, my people, it never expire or end. The donation never ends. Okay? It never ends. So if you get anything where you will take support me, okay, to get myself a brand new laptop. Okay, if you want to join the supporting team, like people will support me, okay? Thank you, Favor John. Thank you. If you want to join the people who support me, because once I buy this laptop, all the names of the people who support me, I'm going to tag it to that laptop, and I go let you know, say, now so people like this, now get this laptop. You understand? In my Viviere, so I not premium me any of the gay issue. Because me, I also help people. I will not like anybody when I help may come beat me for my good. So I go write their name, put before me and there go say 1 quarter. Here come a laptop imuguwa. Even if now you come be second hand, no problem. So far, I no go hold my team for my house. They beat you now. I know they do one, not sabi do one, and not be now go start time. So now God will bless all of you. So the donation is still going on. Nothing too small, nothing too big. 10,000, 30,000, 40,000. Anyone where you get, add. Now small water, now they full drum. So God will bless all of you. So my amazing people, I don't want to make this video too long. Okay? I don't want to make this video too long. Mona help me. Mona join me. Those of you where you see this video, now we go see and later. Mona help me thank Queen Rita and her fans. Mona also thank my fans for always standing by me, supporting me. Okay? And Mona help me thank Queen fans for always standing by me, for always supporting me. Not be say I like this person for math. No. Financially, prayerly, everything. They know they use me play. You see, so those kind of people, you know, go still good. Make myself use them play because beneath they may parable say, oh, there I say mirror mami yoma. You understand? So now so it be. So my amazing people, please, let me thank all these people. We celebrate my birthday, so we wish me well, where they contribute to my growth. Okay, that they contribute to my growth. They won't see me grow. They want, that is, you understand? They won't see me grow because one thing me like for this life, now growth. I not like person, you dey one place. Imagine, I they do live video now. This like this, I don't they do live video for like this for years. Or I don't they do video like this for years. So I need to still upgrade them. You understand? I know a lot of people love me, and me too. I still love a lot of people. So I want to upgrade my live streaming, and I need una support. Those who don't already support, now God will bless you. Now pocket no go run dry. Okay, more money to your account. Thanks for joining, Mama J. Thanks for joining. That's my lady, Mama Mopiti. I said to you. Thanks for joining, my lady. So God bless you. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. And God bless you. So my amazing people, the donation is still going on. Okay? Nothing too small, nothing too big. Anything one no say me. Anything where you give me. And the one way it can surprise me past be say. The people where they give me money for this my birthday. None of them they give me small money. Oh. My lady where they America where they she say my not where she did. Where they UK. That one now so 300k a bit 3 something. Now she give me. Queen Ritoto 300k. Mama Okiro Edos solid 100k. This my lady so another buzzer like big money. Now there's not some people they were busy where they used to say no call my name. Oh. Don't call my name. I don't want no call my name. You understand? Now God go bless me. Since one they do birthday, this one a mature birthday. This one not be others empty birthday. This one a mature birthday. This one a quantity. I been a quality. No, this one a quality birthday. Not be quantity. Not be nyege. Not be noise. This birthday so why not be noise birthday. If I even notice I was not coming online anymore because I look and say my fell leave saga face. Thanks for Jenny Reti Oluwa. You did my love. How you did your body? I also say, I feel you remove saga first. I feel you shift saga go one side first. Let me behave as a good girl, little. You know, I miss you too, my darling. I miss you too. How you did now, body? Long time no so. That's why you notice I'm not going to the day until I see what they go on, but I was just like, I feel do my birthday first. So as far as I don't do my birthday now. So my people, those my lovers where they send me things, update where they go for streets. My phone is open. Please start to bring updates. Maybe they talk, put one or two. Maybe they put our 1 or 2 cents in a mature way. You know, say, as I don't see add 1 year now, I go still mature in so many things, in so many ways. Not say, we are there. When I they do my old age before, wait till I they do that, I call no. So, we go to, as we don't add 1 age, we'll still upgrade, joiner. You understand? So, now so it be so when they send me the videos, I will try my best now to give an update. Try and make peace with saga update. Uncle, why you they talk like that, Jude? Why should I make peace with her? Eh? You know, you say now my own they will start to insult me. No, don't say that. Why I will make peace with her? Say because of it. That one a person. I bet you where that small boy. So now they get me. No, now my birthday, now my birthday day. I don't need to do small saga. That one, I'm doing my birthday. Please don't tell me to make peace with me. Anybody not get worried. Okay, Mama, hope me to chop birthday cake. Abi, you go shop, you go shop, you go shop. So my amazing people, thank you for making this video wonderful. God bless you all. As soon as you understand my point of views, when I just stay, you understand. As soon as share the video, when I love and like your comment, now God will bless all of you. So my amazing people, please help me thank people who celebrate me. Let me thank people where they dash me money, people where they donate. Please, guys. Donation is still going on. Okay? Donation is still going on. Nothing too small, nothing too big. The earlier the better, so that we'll go buy our laptop. We'll feed the live stream properly. Feed the live stream. You know, say now they use three phones at once. I supposed to, if they use only one laptop finish, I will just connect all of them together. So please, Mona, support me. At least I never really asked anything before for media space. I never asked anything. This is my first time. So I believe say Una go do one for me. Una don't already do one. So no Mona, you're doing finish. Who never do, make it do. Okay. So thank you all and God bless you. Stay blessed. I will still come out again. If you say there are some things when I miss to tell now, why I forget or why I not remember, I will still come back. Maybe no live video. I will drop it. I will continue to drop my videos now. So okay, now they see more of me now. Okay. God bless you all and stay blessed.